Perfect.
Perfect dismount.
Kanye outfit ka.
Sobrang
Wyoming. Mountain sa likod pa.
Ample lang siya.
Kasi nung banyo, nakita ko si Mama na pag tinikita niya yung tayo niya pala.
Pagkita ko ako.
Bakit niya yun? Lamig. 4 degrees. Bago mga
Open 12. Ganda. Parang UK.
Wow. Sa likod.
Pagkaroon pala, magkakaroon. Press the green button.
Oo, dyan sa ilalim ng ano.
Sarap mag-wait na early.
Dito sa gilid yan.
Ito.
So...
Walang remote.
Oh, so that means, kung aalis tayo, isang lalakad. Kaya ito eh.
Ganda.
Maganda. No?
Testicle?
Malaki lang siya. Naglaro siya baseball.
Introducing extreme baseball.
Translate mo rin sa Tagalog.
Ayoko. Introducing extreme baseball is like baseball but with 72 virgins.
Vagina.
Ew.
Binigay ni Santa sa masasamang bata. The gays. Binigay ni Santa sa masasamang bata. Alcoholism. Pwede to. Kasi totoo. Totoo. Nangyayari sa totoong buhay. Binibigay ni Santa sa masasamang bata ay Justin Bieber. Ito, Willis Bieber.
Becoming a blueberry in one.
Ang random.
I got 99 problems but
Simat ka kasi.
rugby ko.
Why do I
masakit.
hurt all over? A monkey smoking a cigar.
Random.
Why do I hurt all over? The hamburger. Huwag kayong titingin pa.
Take two.
Sabihin niyo, Blue Mountain.
Blue
Mountain.
Sabihin nyo, Blue Mountain.
What's up, boss?
Alrighty, you're welcome. Left side, right side. You can stand on that grass floor in the middle. Good morning. Welcome on board the Chile Skyway. My name's 20 minutes. Anyways, today's Sunday, so I get compensated a bit better. If you want to have a look, if you want to look down, the glass floor has gone clear. Since none of you found that entertaining, that's okay. If you are standing on the glass floor, when you look down, that's the second best view. The best view, look up above your people at the lookout there, just underneath them. There's actually light boxes, okay? As there's a level on the roof. I once had a customer ask me what time we turn the waterfall on. So there you go. Those are the kinds of questions. So if someone asks you why the Blue Mountains are called the Blue Mountains, your answer, eucalyptus trees and eucalyptus oil. Now, as we approach the east side, back every 10 minutes.
One, two, three. Mga bata. Kage po siya. Picture lang.
We're at Scenic World. Scenic. Very scientific.
Oh, tingin dito. Hi.
Batang
Kaya pala.
Ayan.
Alright, welcome.
Ganon roller coaster.
Galing may pakunyari pang mainit.
Patingin niya ako. Hey! Anybody out there?
Yeah. Sige, Daddy, ano?
Titignan na one. Pero nakagana na yung mata. Ayun ang mami yung mga tita.
Off na pa ka.
Forest, and it's rather lovely. You're seeing the 5-leaf water vine that is the canopy. However, but pop out at the top of that now.
Ano may Hidden Mickey ng Pilipinas? Hidden Mickey ng Pilipinas.
Luntian. Hidden
Ano
Mickey.
yan?
Alright, how many? No, is it go between 3 rows? So three and two?
But
Video na nga. Hello.
Welcome down into the Jameson Valley, everyone. Just coming into the bottom station.
Puro yan. Ano ka sa'yo? Sa'yo, di ba?
Wala kang leeg dyan eh. Ay, walang baga.
Sabi mo may nararamdaman ka. Kakaiba.
Hindi ka rin pumunta dito.
Sumasamin.
Ah, ang bigat!
Yung may gano'n.